What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about how you can protect your crypto investments. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be tackling and talking about different ways on how you could protect your crypto investments. And this is Investopedia right here, guys. There are also some good information that you could check out in here, like what is cryptocurrency, what are the things that you need to understand about cryptocurrency, the types and all those good stuff. So here, I want you to understand, guys, that when you are investing in the crypto market, your assets right there, like the tokens that you have, the ones that you use for trading and all those good stuff, you need to protect them just like your cash, right? Your cash, your solid assets and anything like that, because the ones that you have here, or the tokens that you are using to trade, are the ones that we call your assets in the crypto space. So you also have to understand that there are certain risks involved in making your trades with crypto. And that is the reason why we want to make sure that you guys do your own research first. Know the fundamentals on how to make trades, do technical analysis. Losing sometimes is also a part of trading, crypto trading in general. But you have to make sure that you mitigate the risk and you get more wins than your losses. But the risks that I would like to talk about are the risks wherein you have to protect, or the ones that are in your control. Okay, so we want to make sure that you guys are protecting your assets in a way that you safekeep them. Okay, these are the things that I feel you guys need to know to protect your assets even more. So first, own your keys and do not share them with anyone. Okay, so you are the one that runs your crypto trading. You are the one that owns the assets, so you keep them and keep them in a safe. Use a hard wallet is number 2, and I highly recommend that. I also use a hardware wallet to increase the security of the assets that I have. Number 3 is have a backup strategy. So consider different scenarios and evaluate associated risks such as theft, fires, and floods, or inheritance for your backup. So that is a good one as well. So have a backup strategy. Number 4, and this is what I always recommend and tell you guys, do your own research. Always do your own research. Check out all the information, the social media platforms of all the projects that you will be investing in before you invest your hard-earned money. Next, use a password manager. I would strongly suggest that you keep them physically, guys. You could write them up on a piece of paper and then put them in a safe box physically. Do not take a picture of your keys. All right. Next one is use two-factor authentication. So use Google Authenticator or whatever other security measures that you can use to increase the protection of your assets. Use them all. All right. So they are there for a reason. So you also have HODL, okay, HODL. Appreciate what you have and try not to be tempted by emotional sentiments like fear, uncertainty, doubt. FUD. So FOMO is a term that in the crypto market they use a lot. So fear of missing out. Don't get affected with that. All right. So those are the things that I want you guys to know. So you have also the protocol you're trading, ramp up your security and privacy. Those are very, very important things. All right. Next ones are the don'ts. Okay. Don't brag about your holdings. All right. Don't just tell other people that you have this, this, and this. The less people know about your assets, the less people know that you have this much assets, the much safer you are. All right. So store your backup unencrypted on an online device. And then number 3, do not fall for scams. All right. If it's too good to be true, it definitely is. All right. There are a lot of scammers in the crypto space. And then I also have experienced that when I was starting. So make sure, guys, not to fall for scams. Normally, they are lurking in like the Telegrams or other social media platforms that just send you messages out of the blue, giving you a certain contract address and those kind of stuff. So make sure to be aware, and just like what I always tell my followers or my listeners or my viewers, do not make your trades when you're hungry, all right? you always have to have that presence of mind. Number 4, do not run remote access software like TeamViewer. Do not do that. All right. Especially if you are also connecting in public places like networks, like public Wi-Fi's and all those stuff. Do not do that. It's very, very risky. So do not follow the mass media hype as well. Search for the next Bitcoin. Do not search for the next Bitcoin that doesn't exist. Invest more than you can lose. All right. So I always tell them only invest what you can afford to lose. That is very, very important. So those are the things that I feel you guys need to know about this one. And I want you to take note of this as well. This is the Defexa Wallet, so banking safety for your crypto assets. You would see there that they have also a lot of tokens that they support, and they partner with some of the best in the industries. They have the Curity, you have Hexens, Changely, AML Bot, Gardarian, and then they have 100 plus assets that you could use in terms of exchanging or swapping your tokens. So issue a bank card with Defexa, get your own international bank card to make purchases all over the world. And then you have superior security. We use AppSec to provide banking level security for our clients. So those are the things that I feel you guys need to make sure that you increase the protection of your assets and, you know, have a pleasant experience with your crypto trading. So the good thing about this, guys, is they are available in App Store for Apple devices, and they are also available in Android for Google Play. All right, so they have a very, very straightforward user interface, user-friendly. So if you're new in using Defexa, you're not gonna have a hard time navigating through the app. All right, so if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, click that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.